this is how we jive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a scanner or printer to your iMac MacBook Pro or any other version of Apple computer. So first thing first, you have to be here in your system. You have to hit Apple logo, go to system preference. Here you have this option, printer and scanner. Hit this one. You see, I don't have any printer and scanner connected with that. Meanwhile, my printer here, you can see brother is ready for action. Start this one. This is ready for the action, and this printer should connected with your Bluetooth. So if you don't know how you can do that, I have many videos to showing you how you can connect your brother Samsung printer to Wi-Fi. So the printer is in Wi-Fi connected. Hit here plus button. You see this appears. That means this is connected. If you don't have, then you have to connect them. Hit this one. You see select use. Choose a driver. Auto select I put. Gathering information, year print. Everything is look fine. I hit add. Setting up brother printer. In this case the printer is connected and the scanner as well. So let's see the printer is working or not. I will open a Microsoft Word here and typing Ari Jeffrey and I hit for print this one. Let's see. This is the brother printer already chosen. This one is auto. Everything you connect, it should be connect all together automatically. I hit print now. Let's go to the printer. Let's see. See, here is written Harry Jeffrey. So this is working properly. So this is the way you can connect any new scanner and printer to your iMac MacBook Pro. Very simple tutorial, guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.